The best Team Corrali RC buggies combine exceptional performance with durability, making them top choices for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. Known for their advanced engineering, these buggies offer superior handling and speed on various terrains. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Team Corrali RC buggies you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Team Corrali Python XP6S RTR is a top contender in the RC buggy world. This 1/8 scale brushless buggy, equipped with a 2050 kV motor and capable of handling 6S LiPo power, offers unparalleled speed, handling, and reliability. It boasts an all-metal drivetrain independent suspension and an aerodynamic design, making it perfect for high-speed racing and massive jumps. Water-resistant electronics, including the ESC servo and receiver, ensure performance in various conditions, while airspace-quality sealed ball bearings guarantee durability. The Python XP's aluminum pan-style chassis with a forward weight bias and robust braces enhances rigidity and shock performance. The SPL system and RSP sway bar maintain stability and handling. Featuring a versatile battery holder, the Python can accommodate different battery sizes for optimal performance. Its limited slip differentials, metal gears, and robust drivetrain components ensure power reaches the ground efficiently. The pivot ball front suspension and durable rear suspension provide smooth handling, complemented by low-profile tires on rugged wheels. Controlled by a 2.4 GHz radio transmitter, the Python XP offers intuitive, interference-free operation up to 984 feet. Whether for casual bashing or competitive racing, the Python XP stands out as a top choice in the RC buggy category. The Team Corrali Asuga XLR is a top-tier off-road racing buggy meticulously crafted for unparalleled performance across diverse terrains. This buggy, with its sleek aerodynamic design, is engineered to not only catch the eye but also to deliver exceptional speed and agility. It is 15% larger than standard 1/8 buggies, featuring higher ground clearance, increased suspension travel, and oversized components. This buggy incorporates a brand new chassis while retaining the proven drive components from Corrali's 6S models. The Asuga XLR is distinguished by its precision CNC-manufactured aluminum parts and striking red anodization, setting a new standard for RTR RC cars. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of its construction. Key features include ABEC 3 rubber-sealed ball bearings, modern front and rear bumpers with skid plates, and oversized composite steering and camber links. The ultra-rigid hybrid chassis brace system and the 0.51-inch thick HD composite suspension arms with aluminum anti-tear rings further enhance its durability and performance. The buggy's suspension is bolstered by CNC-machined 8mm aluminum suspension arm holders, 0.31-inch aluminum shock towers, and ultra-smooth 0.60-inch big-bore aluminum shock absorbers. The suspension arm holders are securely fixed to the chassis with M4 screws, ensuring stability and reliability. The Asuga XLR also features high-performance, precision CNC cut-hardened steel spur gears, differential spiral bevel gears, and pinions. The drive joints and wheel shafts are made from strong and wear-resistant S2 hardened spring steel, adding to the buggy's resilience and longevity. The Team Corrali Radix 6XP RTR stands out as a top contender in the world of 1/8 scale electric 4WD buggies, ranking as the third best in its category. Engineered for unparalleled performance, it features a 2050 kV brushless motor powered by a 6S LiPo battery, enabling speeds exceeding 62 miles per hour. Its robust design includes a durable all-metal drivetrain, independent suspension, and a racing chassis with a high downforce body shell, making it suitable for both competitive racing and bashing. The Radix 6XP excels with its water-resistant electronics, ensuring reliable operation in diverse conditions. The advanced chassis design incorporates an aluminum pan-style layout with optimized weight distribution, reinforced by triangulated braces for rigidity. The Buggy's suspension system benefits from high CC8 composite parts and large-diameter shocks, providing exceptional handling. The Buggy's steel drive system includes fluid-filled differentials and a high-quality center differential assembly, while its composite steering rods and suspension links offer precision and durability. The all-terrain tires mounted on rugged wheels deliver excellent grip and control. Controlled by the ergonomic Varioprop S2R transmitter, the Radix 6XP offers intuitive handling and interference-free operation, making it a versatile and high-performance choice for enthusiasts seeking speed, durability, and exceptional driving experience. Team Corrali's Synchro 4 stands out as a premier 1.8 scale bash buggy, engineered to deliver exceptional off-road performance while remaining budget-friendly. This ready-to-run model integrates a powerful Curon 725 4-pole, 2150 kV sensorless brushless motor, and a Torox 135 electronic speed control, ensuring a blend of impressive power and efficiency. The HV7225 digital high-speed servo, featuring robust metal gears and 55 pounds of torque, enhances steering precision for a responsive driving experience. The Synchro 4's advanced CT2S compact transmitter provides superior control with its rapid response and range exceeding 656 feet. Key features include a power switch for adjusting speed, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. The transmitter's compact design ensures easy transport, catering to a wide range of users. In terms of suspension, the Synchro 4 leverages proven components from previous models like the Radix 6 and Skeeter, incorporating durable suspension arms, steering blocks, and rear hubs. The new plastic shocks and towers enhance its performance without sacrificing durability. The drivetrain is equally robust, featuring steel outdrive cups, precision-engineered CVD drive shafts, and durable metal dog bones, all supported by aerospace-quality ball bearings to maximize efficiency and longevity. This model allows for easy updates with components from Team Corrali's 6S lineup, offering versatility and personalization to suit any driving style. With a potential top speed of over 50 miles per hour, the Synchro 4 is a dynamic and stylish choice for RC enthusiasts. The Team Corrali Spark XB6 6X Buggy is a premier 1/8 scale off-road vehicle that exemplifies high performance and durability. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, it incorporates 46 crucial updates to elevate its capabilities on the toughest terrains. The Buggy's striking, racing-inspired aesthetics are matched by its engineering excellence, making it a standout choice for both seasoned bashers and newcomers. The Spark XB6 is engineered specifically for bashing, featuring an Xtreme ultra-rigid hybrid chassis brace system at the front, center, and rear to provide exceptional rigidity and support. Its oversized HD composite suspension arms, reinforced with aluminum anti-tear rings and oversized pillow ball steering blocks, ensure resilience and precision even under extreme conditions. The updated composite steering and rear camber links enhance stability and control, making the Buggy adaptable to various off-road challenges. Built for strength, the Spark XB6 includes CNC-machined aluminum shock towers and arm holders, complemented by super-smooth, big-bore aluminum shock absorbers. These shocks are designed to handle extreme impacts with thick silicone oil. The Buggy also features ABEC 3 rubber-sealed ball bearings for smooth operation, high-performance precision gears for efficient power transfer, and S2 hardened spring steel drive joints and wheel shafts for exceptional durability. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.